Hello and welcome to Abhigo channel. Today we will be looking at a new feature on the Leech's website, which you can find on the top left, which is the puzzles. Leeshogi has been a website active for last 6 months, and puzzles have been introduced only a few days back. So I'll just be walking you through about how you can try and use this puzzles to train and become a better shogi player. So as you can see, there are various themes. So there are around 4,400 puzzles in the database. Most of them are sumes, 3,300 are sume, and there are few mate in 1, mate in 3 sumes, mate in 7, or mate in 9 and more, which will be most forcing lines. So sume is nothing but a puzzle where the objective is to mate the opponent's king, but every move should be a check. And most of the sumes taken from books only have a bare king, and you have a few pieces in nearby the king, and you can start a mating net. But since few of the puzzles are taken from by Yanaro engine, which is the strongest shogi engine used in the shogi world, which is open source, and also Lee Shogi uses this engine. So this Yanaro engine picks up the positions from games played on this website, similar to how Leeches takes puzzles from the games played on the website. So there are three sources. The first source is the games played on this website. The second source is Sume books. So there are books from which you can just import the positions, and most of the books will have notation like this. So this is how the mate puzzle looks. It's like some kind of calligraphy. You have to understand where the pieces are, which pieces are from your army and which are from the other army. You have to be very comfortable with kanji, otherwise it becomes a bit difficult. And the third source is some puzzles that are generated by the website, taken from Sume books. And the third source is I think so taken from games, I guess. You're added by some user or someone, so miscellaneous, I guess. So let's look at the first position. King is here, there is a bishop here, there is a kind of a gold crown. So like a crown is something, a general piece which just protects the king. There's a silver here which kind of just protects these two squares, which means the rook has to be sacrificed. And if you see on the right, you see it's a mate in 3 puzzle, which means first move will be a key move, and then the second move will be a checkmate move. Both have to be checks since it's a sume puzzle. On the left you can see the rating, and you can also see if you want to jump to the next puzzle directly or no, and so on. And at the bottom you can see how much is the history of your solving session. So in hand I have right now 5 pawns, 1 lance, one, what is this, silver, and 1 gold. So I have a bishop here. Can I sacrifice it or no? I do have a bishop here, but that's very far away from action. And what's the sequence? Do I go here? Maybe this is the move, because then if king takes, let's see, if king takes, then I have a mate here. What is the mate? Maybe I just give this forceful check, and then there is a blockade, and then becomes tougher to mate. Or maybe a sack. So let's see. Rook sack, king takes. There is a bishop is protecting the escape square. So the thing is, the king escapes here if I drop something here. Sacrifice is not working, obviously. Is it this move? No. Maybe the sacrifice works. Let's try. So both the candidates didn't work. Let's try some better move. So my first idea was to drop a silver here, but I think so. What about dropping a silver here? No. How about dropping a silver here? Yeah, my first idea was correct. Dropping a silver here, and now this horse helps to deliver the checkmate. So you just drop a gold here, and it's a checkmate. So yeah, I lost 24 points, but you get the idea. It's an interactive way of solving puzzles, and you can also give a rating if it's a good puzzle or no, and then move on. So now we have another Sume puzzle. The king is here. No, that not that much protection. This piece is hanging. There is a lance type thing here. Wait, this is a mate in one, right? Just rook drop here. What's the difference? Rook drop here and then what? Yeah, rook drop here is a mate in one, right? What am I missing? Is there any piece from far away that's controlling? I don't. Oh yeah, the lance is controlling. Correct. Yeah, exactly. So I guess it has to be. This is a tricky one. Maybe I just clear this and then the mate threat is there, created here. It's tricky. Wait, I do have a nice rook sacrifice which I can do. Nice. This is a nice one. Wait, is this a mate? How is this piece protected? Is it a mate in one? Yeah, it's a mate in one, but how is this a mate in one? Wait, yeah, the bishop controls this. Okay, the bishop controls this square. So the bishop from this area was just controlling. Let's solve one more before we end the video. So white king here, knight as a protector, nice solid rook, strong rook. There's a silver here which it can take, but it is slow to take. We have a rook in hand. Sacking the rook, is it good? Maybe not. We can give a check here. The king has to come up. Then we can have a rook check here. Wait, a rook check here is a mate. No, it's not. This looks promising, but the follow-up is not a mate in one. What is this? A bishop is defending this piece, which I just noticed just now. So yeah, I cannot even sack this piece because the bishop is defending. So that's why it's important to take time and see the puzzles carefully. So basically the king has to be boxed in from here. So I think so rook drop here is the ideal thing to do. Rook drop and then rook here, I guess. Wait a second, rook drop here, king goes here, then what is the follow? How about, yeah, making the rook come here? Yeah, that's the thing. I forgot about this gold the entire time, which is weird. Oh my god, I missed a mate in one. So the mate in one is this one. Why not this? This is also mate in one, right? Maybe the computer prefers this one, which is strange. So yeah, so that's what you see in Sume puzzles. Few of the mate in ones, or like few of the mates, they might be like there might be more than one solution, and you have to be sure that you pick out the one which is the most perfect. So yeah, this sums up the video. Please do check out puzzles on Leeshogi.